It's finally here. You must be thinking, what is here? So, guys, this is new Apple MacBook Pro M1 Max 16-inch laptop. I was waiting desperately. I ordered it 1.5 months back, and today I just got it here, and I'm extremely happy because I am updating my Mac, my older 15-inch MacBook Pro after 5 years, and that's why this M1 Mac, and this has costed me a whopping sum of money. Yeah, this much, and I know it's huge, and I know that whenever I also see this figure, this create a slight, pinch in my heart. But this is my M1 Max with 10 core CPU, 32 core GPU, 16 core neural engine, 64 GB memory, 2 terabyte SSD. And I know that from the look of it, it looks like a waste of money, but I was really waiting for this particular laptop, and since my earlier laptop, which I purchased around 2016, and after that, I was just thinking about $1,000 for my laptop every year. So effectively, this is the price I paid because I really felt that the thing which I do, the amount of work I do, especially related to I render video, create videos, edit those videos, as well as part of my work I sometimes run some machine learning algorithms. I seriously felt that this is going to save me time. That's the precise reason I decided to go with M1 Max. So without any further delay, let me unbox it. So just okay, here also. Okay, let me open it. Oops. Wow, look at this beauty. Amazing. This is the new M1 Max. It's heavy, guys. It's heavy, Okay, what else came as an accessory? Let me see. Okay, charger. That's all. Charging cable. And yeah, it's USB-C to Apple charger. Okay, I'm gonna keep the charging. There is nothing else in this packet. Okay, this is what. Okay, I'll see it later. Oops. Okay, so now unboxing of this thing. The first impression, this is heavy, literally heavy, and whenever I will travel, uh, this is gonna take most of the 7 kilo, because I believe I'll tell you the exact weight, but I believe it's quite heavy. It's I think the heaviest laptop I'm gonna use. And wow. Okay, so microphone jack, two USB-C or Thunderbolt port, micro SD card port. Oh Mac, you skipped this in your last version, but thankfully you decided to bring it here. HDMI port, and this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna open it. Wow, as soon as I open it, it started automatically. I don't know why. So opening means start or what? Okay, thank you. Wow, it didn't took much time to start. And it is writing in Hindi, Namaste. Hello. Hello. Let me get started. Hola, Spanish. The good thing is that they have said that the battery backup is good, amazing, and awesome. I'm gonna use that till it's using my setup, till it's using my cloud. The first impression is that the colors looks very nice, very visible, and the keyboard, not much different than my this 15-inch MacBook Pro, but this trackpad is huge. You can see this trackpad. This is huge, and speakers are there. And again, there is no touchpad on the keys like earlier Mac versions. It is actually keys, which is good. So this is gonna be my primary laptop as of now. Whatever YouTube videos I'm gonna create from now onwards, that will be done on this particular laptop. And it's done, it's ready, and here is how it looks like. Okay, I can't show you the serial number, but it's MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021 Apple M1 Max chip, memory is 64 GB. Wow, great. So this was my new M1 Max laptop. You're gonna see me in all the programming videos. I'll be carrying this not only for the programming videos, but also for editing all the videos. And I would like to use this M1, and I would like to see how the M1 performs, and the rendering time, my videos rendering time, which is actually more than 10 minutes sometime in these PCs, other MacBooks and other Windows PC. Let me see how this performs. But first impression, awesome design and awesome engineering by Apple, and this M1 chip is gonna be game changer for sure. Let me see. I'll definitely come back with another video where I'm gonna tell you, what is my first few days of experience looks like. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will definitely meet again. Until the next time we meet. Good day. Goodbye. You take care.